Hey guys, LState45 here. Today we're going fishing in the Etowah River. So I'm gonna head to McDonald's and get something to eat since it's 6:25 in the morning. I have just a song. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, I'm back. And I'm hungry.
Time to get some food. That's the wrong way. I'm stupid. I'm driving for like 2 months now, and I don't remember how to drive when I'm on camera, apparently. Go ahead and roll down my window already. I have a mobile order.
Okay, let me see if I can locate it. Hold on 1 second.
Oh, it's hard. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, what do you got? Got the food and a coffee, all for $4.99, which I think is an excellent deal since I use the McDonald's app. So I'm gonna pull into a parking spot and eat. Then just gonna pull into the same parking spot I was in earlier and eat, and then I'll be back, y'all. Well, y'all, it's kind of hard for me to film while driving since I don't have anything to like hold my phone with. My hair's real messy right now. That's why a piece of bacon's in it. That's why I'm wearing a hat. Got this hat the other day, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just go to the fishing spot. And oh, sorry, stomach's upset now. See you guys there if I make it. Ooh. So I'm here. As y'all can see, I'm under a bridge. So, I'm gonna spell off of that. You'll be able to hear it in the video, the cars. So, probably gonna move spots. Might go somewhere. It's the Allatoona Dam, actually, if I can go there. So, I'm gonna put, sorry, real weird over here, and I don't really like it very much. So, look at that. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna put a worm in the water. Alright, I'm gonna try not to slip down these rocks or anything. I'm probably gonna switch spots pretty soon because I don't really like it down here. Just give me 1 second. It's kind of weird to do this. Alright. I'll be back if I catch anything. Yeah, I'm moving spots because, just listen. That's all I've been hearing is that for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna move on down river, up river. So I'll be back when I'm there. I don't know. Before we leave, let's see what else we can find here. What's this? Catch more fish? Okay. There's packs of cigarettes, Swishers, a full pack of cigarettes. Okay. Well, most eventful find so far, Newports. Yeah, I'll be back when we're down, well, upriver. Keep on saying downriver, but I'm not going downriver since I don't know where there is to fish down there. I'll be back. I'm getting out of here. We're going down the river. I might go to Cooper's Furnace. I don't. If you have to pay, I don't have cash, so I guess we'll just have to find out. See y'all there, or wherever I'm going. It's really cool down here, but it gives me some weird vibes. Like whatever this is, don't know what it is. There's a lot of skid marks. There's that. Limited sight distance. Now that's spooky right there. I don't like no limited sight distance. Wow. Some nice view right here though. Got some river, there's a mountain right there. Might be Red Top. I'm trying to get you guys some view. I don't know, we might pull over here. Ooh, it's looking... my car won't make it down there. Oh, we're gonna keep on going down and see what's happening down here. Yo, look at that. I don't know what that is. It's just a black cat, never mind. I don't know if I'm going to Cooper's Furnace or somewhere else, but I don't like this road a single bit. It's giving me some weird feelings. It's only like 7. Oh, slow, gate ahead. Okay, we're here, and they're closed. You know, there's a place for me to turn around. Wow, that was... I'll be back. Actually, I'm going to see what time they close or open. You know, I'm going to use my phone to see. 8. They open in an hour. Alright. We'll be back when we find somewhere to fish, I guess. Time to drive down this road again. You know, I might just wait an hour and make this video just a Cooper's Furnace adventure, since my car's not really suited for parking in these places so I can fish. So yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. Alright guys, it's been... Oh, I almost tripped and fell. I don't have any of my stuff with me right now, other than my phone and all that. But found this place right here. I guess I'm gonna fish here for now, since basically the only place I found that my car will be fine parking, and I am 100% sure that I can get out of, because yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get my pole. Okay, so I fished down there for a second, but the current's really strong, so I'm gonna come back in like an hour. I might take a nap or something. My head's killing me, so yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I might come back and just explore Cooper's Furnace. I might get Anthony to come with me. I don't know, we'll find out. I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, now we're going back to Cooper's Furnace. That's a weird turn. I don't know why I said that. Yeah, we're going back to Cooper's Furnace. And I'll be back when I'm like inside and stuff. Just past the normal gates or whatever. So I'll be back when I'm at the like building thing where you pay to get in. If you have to do that. I hope you don't, since, well, yeah. Well, I got past everything. Now I'm at the Allatoona Dam. I'll be back. So, yeah, we're down here by the Etowah River. It's the Allatoona Dam. I don't know why, but it gives me a weird feeling. And I'm scared of it. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna go down this trail here. I don't know if I already said this, but this is 3 days later from the first part of the video. Because the first part of the video, I didn't sleep before that. I stayed up till that time. Excuse me. Stayed up till that time. And then I came here, did blah blah blah, went home because I had a headache, then I fell asleep. And I was meaning to come back here, but it was weird. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be down here. There's a fence. It's like, no, don't do that. But I think that means go past the fence. Just saying, like, oh, airplane, sorry. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Razor wire deployed. Oh shit. Oops, I didn't mean to say that. Yeah, I'm getting a weird feeling down here. I don't know why. That just makes me feel scared for some reason. Restricted. Keep 500 feet back. I'm definitely 500 feet back. So yeah, I guess we're gonna go somewhere else now. Find out where and right now. Well, that's Cooper's Furnace, I'm guessing. But I think I'm just gonna get out of here now, since I don't know, there's nothing else to do. So maybe there'll be a new video after this or something. I don't know. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like.